Hello, this is Grace of Charm Jewel. Today I'm going to share with you my unboxing gemstones haul I ordered online. So what I have here are two colors of stones. These are all holite stones. I have blue and white ones. The blue one are dyed turquoise color, and the white ones is the natural color of holites. These are all cabochons. Cabochons have flat backs and dome on top. I have multiple sizes, a 10, 12, and 8 millimeters. As you can see, the stones have natural veins like spider webs. Holite is mostly dyed in different colors to resemble different gemstones. For example, in turquoise, it is dyed in blue because of the veins. It's mostly resembles turquoise since turquoise is very expensive. You can use these cabochons to make earrings, ring, bracelet, and necklaces. So thank you all for watching. If you have any suggestions and questions, just comment below and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for the next upcoming video. Happy crafting!